on the left you see the kind of the easy case, and this is what I want to achieve, but with multiple subdivisions. And thinking about it, that can't be done. So let's have a look first of all at the easy case. So here I've got the cube, I'm in edit mode, I'm in edge select, which I don't strictly need for Control R. So let's say I want it to start out there. Now what I can then do is, I'm in edge select, so I can then say G in the Y axis, and it pivots around the bottom of the edge loop, and that's nice. And I thought, yeah, that's exactly what I want to do with a cube that has lots of subdivisions in it. So same kind of principle, except I've already got my loop cuts in here. So let's do we'll go into edge select, go to select shortest path, and now I want to do a G in the X, say. I was thinking, well, no, I want to pick up everything from here up to here and as I move this, I want this all to be a straight line. But that's not how it works, because you can't ignore the fact you've got these intersections with other loop cuts. So this is to my knowledge, the best that I'm going to be able to do. Because even if I were to select, let's see, so suppose I did an Alt left mouse button, which selects the whole of the edge loop, then I deselected the bottom part, go back to this view. Well, the trouble is I can do a G and an X, but I can't have my cake and eat it. Either I highlight just the top line, or now I've got the top and the side but not the bottom highlighted. If I do a G and an X there, then it moves the whole thing, and that's not unreasonable, and that then becomes its pivot point, or its anchor, dragging the next closest line with it. So you can't have what I wanted.